What's up, guys? I'm Mike from StockedUp. In this video, we're going to be going over a potentially huge options trade for tomorrow. So I was looking through the market earlier today. I was looking at CAT, maybe for like a call credit spread setup. But I was thinking, and I saw something like really crazy. That's it's you normally don't see this. This is very rare. So some big institutions do trade the options market like everyone else. So you'll see orders worth millions of dollars and hundreds of thousands of dollars. But normally they always buy time, or they're always there's always like a safer trade to it. But anyways, CAT is sitting at about $140 right now, and for some reason, someone is buying a ton of call options for CAT that expires tomorrow. So I don't know exactly who is buying them, or what the deal is behind it. However, someone bought almost 13,000 call options, CAT 140 call options that expire tomorrow. So, this is, you could just look at the volume. It's like, this is not normal. Like yesterday, the volume was 1,700. Today, the volume is almost 13,000 on the 140 call options that expire tomorrow. The 141 calls are very similar too. Like, there was, 1,700 contracts volume today and 600 yesterday. The 142s, you have 2,700 contracts today with about 300 yesterday. So there's a lot of money going into the call options that expire tomorrow. So, what I did is not, and this is for stat modeling members too. It's a risky trade at the end of the day, but someone's putting a ton of money into these call options. We don't know why yet, but what we do know is CAT had pretty good week so far. Yesterday and the day before that was pretty good. Stocks run up, and they'll just keep running up. So just like CAT is running up right now. So, we might see a pretty good continuation tomorrow, and we have a ton of money going into the call options that expire tomorrow. And CAT got upgraded by Goldman Sachs today. So, that could be a pretty good deal. Could affect the market for CAT tomorrow. Like I said, they just got upgraded by Goldman Sachs today. They have other people recommending them as buy signals. So, who knows what the deal with them will be. We'll see what happens with them, but it could be a pretty good setup. You normally don't see people put that much money into call options that expire literally the next day. So, for example, like the 140 call options right now, they're going for about like $65 a piece. $65 a piece times 12,971. There's almost $840,000 worth of just value being traded on the options today, and these options expire tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. Like, if we look at the put side, like there's pretty much no volume on the put side compared to the call side. The 140 calls have almost 13,000 contracts, while the 140 puts have, what is that? Have 921. The 139 puts have 877. So I took a small starter position on CAT. We'll see what happens with it. But there's just a ton of volume going into it. What would I would probably expect is get like more like upgrades, or like price target raises overnight, or just something like a black swan that you wouldn't normally predict, and you'll see the stock go up. And what's probably happening is the people who, like Goldman Sachs or like a different rating agency, they might be recommending them as like a buy signal or something like that, and they know the stocks can go up after they recommend them, and then they want to get in on the move. So all that is technically illegal and insider trading, but it is completely legal for us to trade based off that, just like based off like this volume analysis. But either way, there's a ton of money going into CAT call options. Is CAT gonna explode tomorrow? We don't know for sure, but just all we can do is connect the dots. There's no way for us to know 100%. Like if it's gonna go up tomorrow, or if who's buying them, or why they're buying them, or what the what the story is behind it. But just using common sense. Cat had a pretty good week. The market is loving continuations right now. IBM, XLNX are just a couple examples. Apple, Microsoft, these are all examples of continuations. Even Tesla. So, Cat, we could expect it to do the same thing. And there's a lot of money going into call options that expire tomorrow. And that's the biggest thing. Like, if these call options were expiring in like a month, they could be selling these call options short and just, profiting off of theta decay. But they expire tomorrow, and, it's very, very rare for institutions and just big time traders to get in these options that expire so soon. So keep that in mind, guys. Stat modeling members, you guys already have the alert on it. You guys were able to get in this 30 minutes before close. Everyone else, if Cat is up tomorrow, you probably won't be able to get in this. If it's not, then you might be able to get in it depending on the pricing at open. But like I said, just to recap, there's no way to tell for sure what's going to happen tomorrow. But just connecting the dots, this could be a pretty great setup. And if this play does work out, we could see about a 300 to 400% return. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, thanks for watching.